Nakisa GoLearn Course Purchase Walkthrough. To provide the best possible support to our customers and partners, Nakisa has developed a number of comprehensive training programs for Nakisa Handling and Nakisa Lease Administration. Note that to purchase a course, you will need a Nakisa GoLearn account and a credit card. In this video, I'll be walking through the steps that we need to follow to purchase a course from Nakisa GoLearn. From my browser, I'll type in our website, nakisa.com. And from the home page, I'll navigate to the Services tab at the top and select Training Overview. So at this point, if you don't have a Nakisa GoLearn account, you'll need to request one. Depending on whether you are a customer or a partner, you'll have to click on the appropriate blue button. This will bring you to a registration form that you'll need to fill out and submit to us, and we'll send you an invitation to Nakisa GoLearn with further instructions on how to log in within 1 to 2 business days. Since I already have an account, I don't need to go through this step, so I'll just go back to the Training Overview page, and this time, I'll click on the blue Nakisa GoLearn login button. This brings me to the Nakisa GoLearn login page, where I'll enter in my login credentials, which are my email and password, and log in. The first page that I'll see is my personal Nakisa GoLearn dashboard. This is where a user can access any courses that have been assigned to them or that they have purchased for themselves. In this example, I want to purchase a course. More specifically, I want to purchase the Nakisa Lease Administration Technical Training Module 1. So to do this, I'll click on the Course Library tab from the toolbar at the top of the dashboard. From the list of available courses, I'll select Nakisa Lease Administration Technical Training Module 1 Course Library Purchase. On the next page, I'll click on Start this course. A pop-up window opens with the terms and conditions, which I must agree to in order to continue. I'll click on I agree and move to the next module to purchase the course. This brings me to the Online Courses Purchase page. Once again, I want to purchase the Nakisa Lease Administration Technical Training Module 1, so I'll click on it and add it to my cart. This brings me to the course checkout page, where I can review the purchase and finalize it. So these are the steps that you'll need to follow to purchase a course from Nakisa GoLearn. Once a course is purchased, a receipt will be sent to you by email. The course itself will be available to you from your Nakisa GoLearn dashboard. Hope this video was helpful.